Annyeonghaseyo, Kayla.
안녕하세요.
I delivered 1 sack of rice and 4,000 allowance, your allowance, and 2,000 for savings from Kim Ji-hwanim.
Uncle Kim Jiwanin, 감사합니다.
Yara, yara, yara. How are you, Kayla?
I'm okay.
Message of Kim, any message of Kim Ji-hwanim, Kayla?
Uncle Kim Jiwanin, thank you for giving me another chance and also for remembering me